So students, we are going to do question number 5 of worksheet 3 of chapter 3. Okay, question number 5 is evaluate the following. Okay, here rational numbers are given to decimals or rational numbers mix are given to you. You have to solve these. Okay, here this plus this minus this. Okay, these all are decimal numbers. Firstly, you will add these two. Okay, then from the answer you will subtract this 13 minus 6. Okay, after this you will get the answer. This is the answer. This question you can do in two ways. First way is do in this method. Okay, by this method. Now you can do this sum by this method also. You can do, firstly you will write this question like this, then in rough you will add these two decimal numbers. Okay, and from the answer you will subtract this. In this way also you can do, both are same. Okay, no difference is there. Fourth part is, firstly in within the bracket these two rational numbers you have to add, and in this bracket you have to subtract these two decimal numbers. Okay, you can, firstly you will add these two. Okay, then subtract these two, the answers you will subtract. Okay, here you can do these addition or subtraction in rough. Clear? Okay, in this way you can do. After that, whenever you will subtract these two, you will see this is greater decimal number, this is negative. It means with answer you will mark, you will write minus sign also. Actually we already know that greater value sign will come with the answer. Okay, this is answer minus 1.35. Simplify and express the result as a rational number in its lowest terms. Okay, firstly simplify, then express the result in rational numbers. Whatever rational number you will get, you will write its lowest term or standard form. Clear? Simplify firstly, then express in rational number. After that you will write the rational number in standard form or in lowest term. This is the first part. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 6.25 divided by 0.25. Here we will use DMAS rule. DMAS rule, we already know this rule, you already done this in 5th class. D means divide, M means multiply, A means addition, and S means subtraction. It means firstly you will do division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Here division is given. It means firstly you will divide these decimal numbers. We already done these type of sums earlier, that's why I am not going to explain these. I'm just telling you that firstly we will solve division part. After that we will add, actually
कैसे पकड़ूं?
a given, that's why we will do addition first. Addition by taking LCM we can solve this. After that we will add 7 upon 10 plus 25 upon 1 also. By taking LCM we can solve this. Here this is the standard form. Okay, this is the answer. Third part, this multiply 144 divided by 12 minus 0.225 plus 3.276. Here also you will solve it by using DMAS rule. DMAS rule we know, firstly we will divide the terms. Okay, whenever we will divide these two we will get the answer 12. After that we will multiply these two. Okay, we will multiply these two, then we will get the answer 17.28. Here this we will write as it is. Then firstly we will solve these two. Okay, we will get this answer. With this answer we will add this. We will get the answer 20.331. Although this is also correct, but it is asked that you have to find the answer in rational numbers and in standard form. That's why we are going to remove its decimal and we are going to write its rational number. Okay, we remove this decimal. In place of this decimal we are going to write 1, and there are 3 digits after decimal. We will write 3 zeros. This is the answer. Okay, next is fourth part. 1 upon 7 multiply 0.049 plus 3 upon 8 minus 7 upon 20. Here we will multiply first. Whenever we will multiply these two, we will get the answer 0.007. Here we will remove this decimal 0. In place of this decimal we will write 1 and 3 zeros after this 1. We can write it as 7 upon 1000, 3 upon 8, 7 upon 20. Okay, after that we will take the LCM of these three, all these denominators. We will get the LCM 1000. After taking LCM we will get the answer this. Okay, firstly we will add these, then from the answer we will subtract 350. We will get the answer 32 upon 1000. Although this is the answer, but it is asked to write in lowest term or standard form. That's why we will divide these numerator and denominator by 8. After that we will get the answer 4 upon 125. This is the answer. Okay, in this way you can do rest parts also. Okay, thank you.